Welcome kids to our channel. Today we will learn Unit 2, first poem Rain from our EnglishBalbharti. Let's get started. Unit 2, poem number 1 Rain. Look, listen, sing and talk about the picture. Now, first look at the picture students. What we can see here? Umbrellas, cloud, tree, ship, sea, field, and of course rain. It's raining everywhere, on sheep, on fields, on trees, on umbrellas. Everywhere is raining. Let's read first. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ship at sea, by Robert Stevenson. Students, Sir Robert want to tell us the rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. Let's understand the meaning of first two. Let's read first two lines. The rain is falling all around. It falls on field and tree. Look at the picture now. In the first picture, the rain is falling on field, and in the second picture, the rain is falling on a tree. Now tell me which season is going on? Yes, it's rainy season. Do you like rainy season? What you do when it rains outside? Yes, of course, some of us make boat and some of us want to go out and get wet outside. Now we will turn to our last two lines. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Now look at the picture students. In the first picture, the rain is falling on the umbrella and the boy is holding his umbrella and enjoying the rain. And in the second picture, the rain is falling on the ships at sea. You first listen. I will sing for you and then we will sing together. The rain is falling all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ship at sea. And now students, clap when we are singing. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Hey, the rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Kids, I have made one more video for you, that is how to make a paper board. The link is in the description. Please visit and make your own paper board and enjoy rain. Thank you so much kids for watching. Please share and subscribe and hit like button if you really like it.